Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this one. For more advice on related subject, check the description box below. I need you to listen, and I need you to really hear this. You walk through your days, through the office, your family gatherings, your social circles, and you carry with you a quiet question. It's a question that haunts even the most seemingly confident among us. Do they respect me? Am I actually making an impact? But I'm here to tell you that you're missing the signals. Respect isn't always a standing ovation. Often, it's a quiet, steady hum in the background of your interactions. It's not in the trophy. It's in the subtle, almost secret ways people treat you when they think no one is watching. Here are the top 5 signs that people secretly respect you more than you realize. Sign number 1. They bring you the unwritten problems. When someone sidles up to your desk or sends you a private message with a question that starts with, "Hey, between you and me," or "What's your read on this situation?" that is a massive sign of respect. They aren't bringing you the easy questions with clear answers. They're bringing you the messy, human, politically sensitive problems. The ones that aren't in the training manual. Why is this respect? Because they see you as more than a function. They see you as a source of wisdom, discretion, and sound judgment. They trust your character as much as your competence. They believe you have the emotional intelligence to navigate the unwritten rules. That is a quiet, powerful tribute to your integrity. Sign number 2. They feel comfortable being silent with you. In a world terrified of awkward pauses, silence is a litmus test for comfort. Notice who doesn't feel the need to fill every single second with chatter when they're with you. They don't perform. They don't feel the need to impress you with a constant stream of wit or stories. Why is this respect? It means your presence is enough. They feel secure. They aren't trying to manage your perception of them because they already believe you see them and accept them for who they are. This is a silent pact of mutual respect. It says, your energy is not draining, it's grounding. That is a rare and precious gift people only give to those they deeply trust and admire. Sign number 3. They mirror your language and ideas. You'll be in a meeting and days or weeks later, you'll hear someone else present an idea. And you'll think, wait a minute, that sounds familiar. It's your idea, but now it's coming out of their mouth. Your initial reaction might be frustration, but flip the script. Why is this respect? Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, but in the professional and personal world, it's more than that. It's validation. Your idea was so compelling, so well articulated, that it became part of their mental framework. They didn't just hear you, they internalized you. You are setting the standard. You are becoming the source code for their own thinking. That isn't theft, it's influence. And influence is the bedrock of respect. Sign number 4. They respect your boundaries, even the unspoken ones. You don't have to constantly fight people off or say no a dozen times. Notice the people who, when you say you have to leave, don't push you. The ones who, when you set a deadline, don't challenge it frivolously. The ones who sense a shift in your mood and give you space without you having to ask for it. Why is this respect? This means people are intuitively reading you and adjusting their behavior to honor your space, your time, and your energy. They see you as a person with limits, and they consider those limits valid. This is a profound form of respect. It means they value the long-term health of their relationship with you more than their short-term desire for your attention. Sign number 5. They trust you with their vulnerability. This is the big one. When a colleague admits a mistake to you before anyone else, when a friend shares a dream they're almost too scared to say out loud, when someone asks for your feedback and genuinely braces for your answer, this is the ultimate deposit into your respect account. Why is this respect? Vulnerability is currency. In a competitive, often judgmental world, handing you their vulnerability means they see you as a safe harbor. They respect your empathy, your confidentiality, and your perspective so much that they are willing to risk their own ego in your presence. They believe you will handle their fragile truth with care. There is no greater honor. So, I need you to stop looking for the parade. Stop waiting for the public proclamation. Start looking for the quiet evidence. The glance across the room before a big decision. the comfortable silence on a car ride, the idea you planted that's now blooming in someone else's voice, the boundary you set that was quietly accepted. This isn't about ego. This is about evidence. Your value, your integrity, your wisdom, they are having an impact. People are watching, they are learning, and they are respecting you in the most meaningful way possible. Not with loud applause, but with quiet trust. Now, go out there and stop underestimating your own shadow. This is the end. Check the description box for more advices. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can get more videos like this one. You can also ask in the comment for the full PDF version of videos to be more effective. Thank you and see you next time.